This is the Beeman Report, brought to you by Harvest Investment Services, a registered investment advisor where they harvest gains and minimize losses. Visit them at harvestinvestmentservices.com. How about some good news in the wake of government shutdowns, end-of-the-world debt ceilings, and all the rest of the pessimism we hear every day? With a change coming to the EPA regulations this fall, you could actually see gas prices drop to, get this, less than $3 a gallon by year's end. It's a little technical, but it has to do with EPA regulations to refiners that cause them to create ethanol blends which consumers can't buy. Remember, 90% of American cars don't work with ethanol blends of more than 10%. So refiners have been building inventories which aren't necessary but are more wasteful. Well, the EPA is actually catching up and is looking to modify the regulations relating to ethanol, and that could put additional supplies into the marketplace, which would result in, yes, reduced prices. As fuel flows through every segment of the economy, this could be a well-needed boost to our economy in light of the fact that the fear-mongering that's taken place has captured all of the headlines and damaged our economic growth.